Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at Exporail, and this is a CNR U2, not the rock group. This really cool 1940s era freight locomotive. Look at the wheels on this thing. So it's got 6-axle trucks on the tender here, which is rounded. So I think it was an oil burning locomotive. I'll have to check that. Well, it's got the round emblem. So again, 6-axle trucks. With the round back. Cylindrical type tender. What's really cool is look at the numbers. They were actually bolted on. They weren't just painted. Again, they've blocked it off from actually seeing inside. Unfortunately, they should have, a ladder or something so you can see inside there. Here's the gigantic driving wheels, and here's basically a diagram. So as you can see, it's a 484 locomotive. Those little wheels in the front there are idlers, along with the ones there just before the cab, and the driver wheels are the big 4 here, which are actually 8 because there's 4 more on the other side. I think that's the ash collection box, if I'm not mistaken, and then underneath there's a hopper. And when this locomotive got full of ashes and stuff, it would just pull up near a pit in the tracks and just dump hot ash in there. Here's the driver wheels. As you can see, they're rather large. CN 6153. This is what it would have looked like under steam. One, two, three, 4 giant wheels. These are the pistons. And there's the idler wheels. Very small. Here's the front of the locomotive, as much as I can get it. And that's the cow catcher, and there's the coupler. Again, a very beautiful machine. This is for a pole. What they would often do when you have parallel train cars on 2 different sidings, you could actually use a pole. This would push, and you would have a similar thing on a boxcar, and you could save your locomotive from moving from one track to the other track to push a boxcar over. You could actually just use the pole here and push the boxcar on the opposite track, provided that the boxcar is on the track right adjacent to what your locomotive is. Modern diesels also have this. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.